progress on the Caddy was starting to be made. Slow and steady, wins the race and all that. But now it looks like this. Stuff seems to be missing. Oh, and there. Keep watching to find out why. Because we're on the night shift. A little bit different today. Can't really make any noise by cutting or grinding at this time of night. So I'm going to start doing a bit of stripping, a bit of preparation for these kind of front jacking points and floor pads. Another reason that I wanted to get this wing off and start having a look is because this might be a little bit worse in here as well. Woohoo! Let's have a look. So under the carpet, we've got that. I've also found a massive hole in the inner seal. First up, let's get the wheel off. Have a look under there. I tell you, there's holes everywhere in this thing. So I think we've got something going on there. It's my trusty poking stick. Yeah, gonna need a little repair there. Nice. Nice repair. Another one there as well. These are the ones. That and all the way underneath. That's what I wanna do and do it properly. So I think let's get this arched liner out that's not really attached. So I don't really know what I'm doing here. That first fixing just fell out. There's a couple of 10mm bolts at the top. And I think there's one clip in the middle to lever out, and boom, it's out. There we go. One arch liner. Oh yeah, she's crusty there as well. It's going to need that wishbone off. One thing I am noticing, that this has obviously all been apart before. Everything is quite loose. Yeah, I mean, it's either not been done up or, yeah, it's just not been done up fully. So, which is nice, because I can get at everything quite easy, but worrying at the same time. Right, this is the last bolt for the bumper. There we go. One bumper. Good thing about a Caddy is you can store everything in the back until you need to repair the bed. Right, last few bolts on the wing, and then that should come off. Right, that wing should come off. Yes, it's off. Bit of wiring for the indicator. One wing, which is not rotten at all. Wonder if it's a genuine one. Right, now we've got the wing off, we'll start stripping out this mat or carpet, whatever it is, to have a look at the floors, see what they're like. So, gear knob off first. Just unscrewing my knob. One gear knob. And I suppose gator off. There's this little surround. Couple of screws in there. The other thing with this is, it's all very well taking it apart, but you've got to remember where it all goes again. Right, so I've taken that off. That was in there. Let's shove that up there for a minute. Sorry about the shaky old camera work. This carpet, or mat, whatever you want to call it, should come straight out now. Right, I've got the seat out, got the carpet and mat lifted. It's pretty much as I thought it would be. So, I'm just going to get some of this old sound editing out. I've had a bit of a scrape around. I'll just get it out, and then I can show you exactly what we've got. So I've lifted the sound deadening up to where I can get back to solid metal. But it's such a shame this just wasn't done properly to start with. That whole corner is gone. Obviously we've got our little hole in the inner sill there. That's an easy one. Where that patch was on the inner wing. So I have to strip all this sealant and stuff back. Same up here. That again is one of those patches on the inner arch, inner wing. So I have to scrape all that back. Thinking I'll either take the pedal box out or do this from the outside. I don't really want to take the dash out, but I suppose that's going to be dictated by the passenger side when I have a look at that. I think the plan will be to get you can get a front floor pan section and then maybe cut it down here and across there. Up here is where it will join in. It's probably spot welded, so drill them out and cut that to fit. Obviously all this is all solid, so I'm happy with that. I don't want to just do a patch like that. Obviously it's got these kind of beads in it. I think they're for strengthening. The back is all solid, luckily. And there was £1 in it. Bonus! Still not really happy with these seats. They're all a bit wobbly. It's got some dodgy old brackets that have been made to make them fit this. Maybe I might be able to do something better. But in here, we'll probably clean all this back and put our own sound deadening in. Make that all nice and clean and presentable. But at least the metal's solid. That's the main thing. Well, that's it for this one. Like I say, can't really do a great deal on the old night shift till we're back in the garage. But thank you very much if you are watching for the likes and shares so far. Really appreciate the support. It's just a bit of fun. This is what I do. This is my hobby. If you like watching, like, share, subscribe, pass it to your mates, whatever. And yeah, see you in the next one.